afternoon, everyone. Patrick here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks, doing another video for you today. What we have here is a blue stain pine tongue and groove, and this goes up under a deck. Obviously, when it's properly weatherproofed, we put Trex RainEscape on this, so this is actually an added cover as well as on top of the deck for your outdoor living space. So I'm going to do a quick how-to video on the install of this. This is kind of some finicky material. It's very brittle, thin. What we did before we put all this up is we did a clear coat on this, and this wood is really colorful. It has a lot of blues, reds in it. That clear coat, if you can see, penetrated and soaked into this wood about an 1/8 inch or so, and it really brings out this color. You can see the reds and the blues all under this deck, and really accents our glue lamb beams, which we also sanded and clear coated. Just real nice finish work, real quality stuff here. So, like I was saying, this tongue and groove is called tongue and groove because it fits in like so. This would be your tongue, this is your groove, and you have a female and a male part. So snap a line on the bottom of your joists to find out where you're going to start running it. We also run a border piece like we do on our decks, which is a 1x. So you can have a little bit of playroom with that. So you find your line, then you're going to install it. This fits in like so. And you want to make sure that when you're doing this, it fits nice and flush. These longer sticks are going to have some bows into them. Sometimes I take a cat's paw, which I have right here, and kind of hammer that up into the joist and kind of just pull nice and easy. We don't want to crack the material. Nice and easy, get those bows out of it, make it seal up, because when you staple, and here's our staple gun, after you sit it in, it'll be sitting up like this, tongue facing out for your next piece to go into. And when you staple, you're going to have to do it at about a 45 angle or so, and boom, tack it up to your joists. These staples will show if you don't get this blue stain nice and tight to itself. That's kind of just a basic rundown of installing this. We really wanted to show you again the beautiful color, the clear coat under this deck up in Superior, and we stand by our work. We're real proud of it as always. We really appreciate all your views, comments. Keep them coming, guys. We're really happy to do these videos. Our Facebook page at Covers and Decks, and if you have any questions, our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers. See you again soon.